Today we're going to learn how to do contretemps and the difference between contretemps and pas de cheval. Let's get to it. Last week we learned to do pas de cheval and some of you mentioned that your teachers also call them contretemps. For this reason I decided to do today a contretemps tutorial where I'm going to teach you how to do contretemps and then you're going to be able to find the difference between contretemps and pas de cheval. In ballet, contretemps means beating against the time, and according to the Cuban Ballet School we have two ways to do contretemps. And the first one is by linking two jeté and a jeté that transfer body weight forward. Fifth position, crosser facing the left diagonal in front of us, right leg in front, hands on the hips. We're going to do battement in front, crosser. We're going to do demi-plie and step forward. And the leg that is on the back, left leg is going to do jeté, jeté. That's it. That's going to be a very simple contretemps. From there we can link with another step, and let's say that we are going to do piqué arabesque, right? So, as we mentioned before, when we do jeté, we all know that jeté is in the air, 25 degrees, around 25 degrees out of the ground, and it has accents. So we need to see that during that jump. So, battement in front, croisé, demi-plie, jeté with left leg, jeté. And let's step and do piqué arabesque. And that's a contretemps. The other way to do contretemps, that is the one that your teachers may confuse with pas de cheval, it begins by doing croisé, battement tendu to the back, left leg on the back. The difference between pas de cheval is that this step we are going to do demi-plie and we are going to do a rond de jambe that finish croisé devant facing the other diagonal. So one more time, tendu to the back, croisé, facing left diagonal, demi-plie, rond de jambe that ends facing the other diagonal, left leg in front. We are going from there, join fifth position sauté, and the other leg is going to do petit developpé, forward, and that's going to be our contretemps. So one more time, it begins by tendu to the back, croisé, demi-plie, rond de jambe, and tournant that ends facing the right diagonal in front of us, left leg in front, join in a fifth position sauté, petit développé. Can you see the difference between this step and the pas de cheval? Now let's do it faster. Arms in second position, we are going to keep it there, we are going to join fifth position, and going to open and end in a third position of arms. Yeah. Now let's join all together, legs and arm combinations, and let's do this second contretemps. Arms second position, left leg on the back, demi-plie, rond de jambe, petit développé. Now we are going to do that, but moving forward, let's say that after that we are going to do tombé pas de bourrée. Demi-plie, contretemps, tombé pas de bourrée. Now, let me highlight the difference between contretemps and pas de cheval. So, last week we learned pas de cheval learns from a fifth position, open, écarté devant, and both legs meet in the air. In an Italian sauté, how we call in the Cuban Ballet. And the difference from contretemps is that it does a rond de jambe, meets in fifth position, and the other leg goes forward by petit développé. So I'm going to show you once again two different combinations of the two different contretemps according to the Cuban Ballet School. I'm going to begin with arms in second position, right leg in front, croisé, demi-plie, contretemps, piqué arabesque. Let's learn this phrase one more time. Croisé, right leg in front, two jeté that continues to piqué arabesque. Right leg is going to be in arabesque on the back, okay? Demi-plie, accent, piqué arabesque. Awesome. Now let's do the ones to begin with leg on the back. This combination we are going to do contretemps, tombé, pas de bourrée, piqué fifth position. Can you do it by yourself? Let's do demi-plie, contretemps, tombé, pas de bourrée, piqué fifth position.